So you're new in editing and you don't have the money to buy the software. I got the solution for you. I will recommend 3 best free editing software for you guys start your editing journey. Let's check this out. Well, of course, I will recommend, and the first of the list is Davinci Resolve. Davinci Resolve is a great tool to learn and use because this software is used by Hollywood, big screen, Netflix, and big companies. Okay, you need to learn Davinci Resolve. Davinci Resolve is using industry standard workflow that you may find difficult to learn when you learn video editing from Premiere Pro, Final Cut, or etc. Okay, it's kinda different, but it's great. It is industry standard, especially the note-based editing. If you guys never learn the note-based editing, you will find it confusing. If you come from a Blender user, you might find it's kinda easy. But if you just like Premiere user, Filmora user, and you switch to Davinci Resolve, you might like, what the hell is this? But it's free, okay? No string attached and you got nothing to lose. It's free, no watermark, no string attached, no cap, it's great. And Davinci itself have a pro version that have some professional features that you want to use as a filmmaker, okay? As a professional. But if you just like starting your video editing journey and you want to make a content in YouTube and TikToks and etc., you might want to learn Davinci Resolve and just download it. It's free. It's great. Number 2 is Hitfilm Express. Hitfilm Express is a free version of the Hitfilm Pro that you can download for free and no string attached. Okay, all the software that I list in this video is like no string attached, no credit card required, no watermark, of course, yeah, because when it's free, you know, that's literally free. And to be frank with you guys, I'm starting my editing journey in Hitfilm. And Hitfilm Express can handle visual effects as well. And Hitfilm basically is like Premiere Pro combined with After Effects. How great is that? If you want to switch from your editing workflow to your compositing workflow, it's just like 2 clicks away, and it's on the same software, on the same window. It's great. In Adobe ecosystem, if you want to use After Effects, you open After Effects, right? It's not like that in Hitfilm Express or Hitfilm Pro. You just switch to compositing mode and bada bing, bada boom. You can make your visual effects in there. One window, one software. And it's free. Number 3 is the best runner-up in this list is Olive Video Editor. Olive Video Editor is free and open source video editing, but it's in the alpha stage right now. The workflow is very similar to Adobe Premiere Pro and Filmora. Okay, but it's free and open source. And in the newest update right now, the Olive Video Editor now using like scratch disk like Premiere Pro. So now Olive Video Editor works much smoother from the earlier version. So I can say Olive Video Editor state right now is ready to use, but you might find some bugs and some instability here and there because the software is in alpha stage. But let's see in the future, maybe Olive Video Editor can even beat the big companies and the paid software itself. Let's see what comes in the future. So there you go, that's the 3 best free video software editor that I can recommend to you guys to learn, to own, to download because it's free, no string attached, and no cap. See you in the next one.